Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta, where we will be discussing question.
In early 2016, the same Germany machinery company has interest from 4 prospective clients from emerging markets: Indonesia, Brazil, Russia, and South Africa. They all want to but then 10 machines, but the factory can only produce 10 in time. Therefore, the company has to choose only one client. Given the volatility of the domestic currencies of the 4 prospective clients, the CFO would like to choose the client which is least likely to cancel the order due to currency volatility. The invoice comes due on June 30, 2016. According to volatility allowance, which prospective client would be most likely to cancel the order? Indonesia rupiah forecast model distribution with analyst estimates for 6 by 30 by 16. Question 216. Implied probability analyst forecast 7 cents 00 MA non sono in track annotate zoom EURIDRO as of 3 by 21 by 16. Source Bloomberg BGN Range 1 standard deviation date price range Prob. Correct answer is based on the volatility of their respective currencies. The prospective client from Indonesian rupiah would be the most likely to cancel the order due to currency volatility.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.